Hello, how are you? What's your name?
Hello, my name is Jimmy, and you?
I am Catalina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And what's your favorite color?
Uh, my favorite color is blue, and you?
My favorite color is black. What's your favorite food?
Ah, black. And I usually eat pizza. Is my favorite?
Oh, I love pasta. I'm sometimes eat it for dinner, and I love the kitchen. Yes, it's delicious. What's your
Ah,
hobby?
but okay. I like play soccer every day.
Oh, that's great. I often dance of the weekend and I love listen to music in English or in French because I study French and English. Do you have a big
Okay.
family?
I have a small family. I live with my mother, my sister.
Oh, it's great. I have one sister and I live with my mother. I don't have parents. I'm sorry.
Ah,
I don't have um father.
okay. Uh, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study in the university. I study English and French because I will be a teacher. And you? What do you do?
Hi, great. Um, I am soccer teacher.
Oh, it's great. Nice. Okay.
Uh,
Thanks. Goodbye.
okay,
Have
goodbye.
have a great day. Bye bye.
Excellent.